am getting late. I should change my cloth first.
I have been waiting for you since morning.
I am sorry. I woke up very late today. I can't wake up early.
I can understand. Look at this jungle. It's one of my favorite places.
I also like this jungle.
I want to say something. You are very beautiful. I can't live without you.
I am also into you. No. What are you doing?
I want to hug you.
No, please.
Please let me do it.
You are so naughty.
No, I am not.
Let's eat some good food. This dress looks good on you.
Thank you. Let's have a seat.
I really wanted to have you, but it was very difficult for me to express my thoughts.
I can understand. Girls are not good at this.
We came here yesterday. The food was delicious.
Really? Who were you came with?
I came here with my friends. We ate food and then went to the nearest market for shopping.
That's awesome. What did you buy?
So many things. I can't count them all, but let me try. Jacket, necklace, anklet, bracelet, watch for my little sister, and a bag for my brother.
Wow, niece, you're a very responsible girl at all. After the lunch, it was fantastic. The meal was very tasty. As you said before, it came true. I wasn't expecting that much tasty food.
Thank you. I knew that you would like it. What is your school schedule for winter?
It's not prepared yet, but the principal has said the new schedule will be implemented soon.
That's great, you will have some relief at least.
Yes, you are right.
I am always right.
Ha ha ha. Would you like to come with me to my house?
My mom will be angry at me.
Come on, we're adults now.
Yes, I know, I will think about it.
Sure, pretty girl. You must think about it. I will be very happy to have you in my bedroom.
Stop, do not be stupid.
I am just joking. I mean to have you at my home.
I know you are joking. But it sounds stupid.
I am really into joke.
I know you are naughty as well. I think we should visit the nearest park.
Not only park, let's see something special.